86 Riverford Road in Brookfield, Connecticut. That looks pretty dope. Let's go check it out, huh? This home has excellent curb appeal. It won't take a lot of effort to make this landscaping amazing. There's a nice view of the beautiful neighborhood in the front yard. A spacious two-car garage just waiting for your new ride. What an excellent view to look out upon from the rear of the home. Might need some renovation, you could see that it has some excellent potential, and the floor plan is really an awesomely laid out floor plan, and we'll get the home inspectors in to verify that the renovations are not too dramatic. The house is 3,382 square feet with an additional 1,500 square feet of finished space in the basement. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. Primary ensuite in this home is spacious and really well laid out. It has its own storage, its own walk-in closet, its own bathroom, and the bedroom is comprised of 2 rooms, a smaller one and a large bedroom. Now, the smaller room can be used as a sitting area, an office, whatever your heart desires. All right, so we're going to go down and check out that finished basement. While we're doing that, I want to mention that I have available to you a full comparative market analysis on this property, a CMA. There's going to be a link in the description for you to click on for that. And also there's going to be a link where you could click and book time with me so we can chat on the phone or in a Zoom meeting and connect and see how in the world I can help you out.